very good morning. Welcome to EVS class. How are you all? All of it are fine? Okay. So children, in the yesterday's class, what we wrote in EVS notebook? Animals living in and around water. Inside the water and outside the land, which are the animals lives? We wrote it in class work. And I had given the homework also. Is it? With the spelling here, you are writing it? Okay. So children, in the today's class, we'll write sounds of animals. So already I taught you in the previous class, animal sounds. Is it? Yes. Now tell me, for example, how dog will sound? You know it very well. Is it? Yes. Okay. Bow, bow. Dog barks. Is it? Yes. How cat will sound? Meow. Is it? Yes. Meow. Yes. Next, duck. How duck will sound? Quack, quack. Is it? Yes. Next. Okay. So, some animals sounds you knows very well. Is it? Yes. So, now in the today's class we'll write. So, before that, so everyone take out your EVS 4-line notebook, take out a pencil and eraser, take new page and write CW, classwork, and write SOUNDS, sounds, of animals, 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 and put underline. Okay? So like this neatly you have to write it. So when you are writing, no, you have to spell the spelling and you have to write it, children. Okay? Yes. Okay, now write first horse. HORSE, horse. So horse, how it will sound? Ness. Is it? Yes. So write it here. NEIGHS. Ness. Ness. Like this it will sound, no? Yes. Ness. Okay. Next animal. Cat. So cat, how it will sound? Meow. Is it? Yes. So write here. MEOWS. Meow. Okay, next, duck. DUCK, duck. So duck, how it will sound? Quack. Is it? Yes. So write DQUACKS, quack. Okay. Next animal. Dog. DOG, dog. So dog, how it will sound? Bow, bow. No? It will bark, no? Yes. So write BARKS, birds. Okay. Fifth one. Hen. HEN, hen. So hen, how it will sound? cackles. No? Yes. So write cuckoo. It will sound no like this. Yes. So write C A C K L E S. Cackles. Okay, next monkey. So how monkey will sound, children? Yes, very good. Right, spelling MONKEY. Monkey. So monkey will, how it will sound? Cat. Right. CHATTERS. Charts. Okay, next animal. Sheep. 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 So sheep, how it will sound? No? Yes. Built. So write it. BLEATS. Builds. Okay, next animal. Elephant. 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 So how elephant animal sound? Yes, very good. Trumpet. TRUMPETS. Trumpet. Okay. So next animal. Lion. 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 So lion, how it will sound? Rose. No? Yes. ROARS. Rose. Roars. Okay? The lion sound roars. Okay. So these animals are sounds. Animals will sound. Okay? Horse, nest, cat, meow, duck, quacks, dog, barks, hen, cackles, monkey, charts, sheep, builds, elephant, trumpets, lion, roars. Okay? So these animals, sounds of animals. These are what? Sounds of animals. Okay? Yes. You can see in a YouTube also, children, how animals sounds. Okay? So next is homework. So what you wrote in the classwork, children? So that you have to write in the homework. Okay? Yes. And you have to some which animals sounds you know that you have to practice it. Okay? And you have to know. If I asked in the EVS class, you have to know the animal sounds. Okay? So children, so everyone, with the spelling, you have to read it and you have to write it. And you have to learn the sounds of animals. how animals will sound, that you have to learn it. Okay. So writing what you wrote in the classwork, sounds of animals, write homework page, do everyone homework, neatly write and send to my WhatsApp number. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day.